and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today is quite a short and sweet video for you, and it's for this product here. So this is from QURE. If you know me, you'll know I absolutely love QURE products. I've used the microneedling system in the past. I used it, you know, through the whole of the course and absolutely loved it. I also have the LED mask that they more recently released and use it on a daily basis. Love that as well. But I recently picked up the serum. So this is an all-in-one serum. It's a one-step multitasking all-in-one face serum. It effectively reduces the visibility of fine lines and dark spots, boosts firmness and smooths texture. You can use this to treat various skin concerns without needing to buy multiple skincare products. So the idea is that it's an all-in-one product. This is all you need, basically. It contains Argireline peptides, which is known as being a Botox substitute. Also Retinol, we all love Retinol. Bacachil, I'm not sure, that's a new one to me. Niacinamide, vitamin C, vitamin E and ferulic acid. It's also fragrance free and also helps to boost LED therapy results as well. So this is to be used in your evening skincare routine. It advises, because obviously it's quite a strong serum, when you start off using it, just to use it every other day while your skin builds up a tolerance to it. And then once you have built up that tolerance, you can use it every day. You don't need much of it either. It's like 1 to 2 pumps and that's it for your whole face and neck. So yeah, I mean, if you're someone that likes to use minimal products in your skincare routine in the evening, which is probably, I would say, the most important out of the two, then this is a really good option for you. It's also more cost effective as well because this is all you need. And it also contains AHAs as well, which is like a mild exfoliant, which helps to break down the dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. So it's a really good resurfacing product at the same time. And yeah, as I mentioned, you can also use it alongside your LED mask. So, you know, you just put this on beforehand, obviously, and then do your LED treatment as you normally would, and it will help to accelerate the results as well. So yeah, I have to say it's a really lovely product to use. It feels amazing on the skin. It really does. It feels like it's, you can tell it's a good quality serum. You can feel it kind of penetrating the skin. It soaks in nicely. It doesn't just sit on the surface. It really does soak in nicely, but it leaves your skin feeling really nice afterwards as well. There's no stickiness with it. Yeah, it just feels really well hydrated and looks really dewy as well. But I feel like I can't give you a full and proper review of it just yet because I've only just started using it. So I want to do that. So what I'm going to do is check in around 4 weeks time. I'll probably do that in a short form. So keep an eye out for that on shorts. Yeah, and I'll let you know how I'm getting on with it. I do have high hopes though, because it feels incredible. It feels like a really nice serum. So as always, I will link the product in the description box below for you, along with a discount code as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.